Sabi ng Pangulo, kung saan ang ebidensya, doon tayo kahit sino pa yan.
So in the case of the ICI, tinitingnan namin nga dito yung mga proyekto. No? Kung saan man pupunta, kung ano man meron ebidensya sa namin, or kung ano man yung naibigay sa amin na ebidensya, i-verify namin yan. Now, nakita naman yun sa mga referrals sa amin, kung sino man ang tatamaan ng ebidensya ngayon, sasama namin. Regardless kung sino man yan, kung either congressman yan, from DPWH, or any other officials, sasama namin yan.
But was it the first time na na-mention yung pangalan ng Congressman Garjon?
Mention saan?
Sa mga investigations, sir?
Source
persons, testimonies?
As far as I'm concerned, ngayon lang nabanggit on that. No? But we've been reading that in the news, of course.
Sir, will you confirm yung sinabi rin ni Congressman Leviste na ICI has been asking Congress for a list of proponents, ibig sabihin names of congressmen, and the projects that they proposed in the 2025 CA? May ganun ba?
Kami? Are you asking me? Yeah. Yes, of course. Any information that we can get, no, we're asking. Yan nga yung isang bagay na gusto makita ng Commission is with regard to the connection between the supposed proponents. So kung mayroong ganun information, hiningi namin.
Hindi binibigay pa?
Hindi namin alam kung meron sing informasyon na gano'n.
For the record, sir, kailan kayo nagpadala ng summon or request?
Hindi ko maalala kung kailan last time.
Pwede Sir Morrison, ang tagal naman mag-reply ng Congress, they should be able to comply because this is presidential.
Well, I cannot speak for themselves, but for them, no. Ang importante, nahanap namin tong informasyon na to. Ngayon, our search will not be limited only from Congress. Kung meron pang other sources, then we will get it from them. Pero right now, we're trying to request or ask from them.
Sir, speaking of documents.
Okay na. Sorry.
Sir, speaking of documents, kasi sabi ni Justice last week ay pinadalhan nyo nga po ng subpoena yung top 15 contractors. May any update ba dito? Nakapag-comply na po ba sila to submit the hard copies of their contracts regarding flood control project?
Yes, I believe pinadalan sila, and unti-unti naman sila nagko-comply.
Ilang numbers po tayo?
I don't have the data with me or information.
Pero kailan po ang deadline talaga nila?
Hindi ko rin alam kung kailan yung deadline, but as long as they're complying, we're welcoming the information given to us.
Sir Brian,
Yeah.
just to confirm lang, kasi sabi ni Congressman Lewis that the ICI said that the three biggest contractors or proponents, first, Zaldico, third is the Vizcaya Copol, and second is Garjon. May ganun bang statement?
Wala kaming ganun statement. Wala pa kaming nailalabas na ganun statement.
He quoted ICI.
According
Wala.
to ICI.
Wala.
After the meeting.
Wala kaming nababanggit na
Well,
ganun.
Saldi ko is number 1, wala kayong ganun.
Wala kami.
Sir, last na on my part. Baka lang sir may message ka ulit kay resign Congressman Saldico. Baka lang sir may message ka agad kay
Sino?
resign
Siya?
Congressman Saldico. You sir. Baka sir may panawagan ka sa kanya.
Dapat siguro umuwi na nga siya, harapin na nga niya itong mga kasong to. Ganun?
Sir, obvious question. Sila Sara, sila Vizcaya, sila Henry. Nung mabida ng kailan yung moment?
Tingin ko malapit. Kasi nauna pa nga yun eh. It's just that dito kasi sa, I think, and I'm assuming, no? Kasi nga hindi na sumagot si former Congressman Zaldico. Winave niya eh, no? If I'm not mistaken, no? Yun ang nangyari. Kaya mas nauna ito. Pero I think very soon, yung Bulacan na first case, mapafile na rin. So, mukhang magkakatotoo yung at least 40 ang magpapasko sa kulungan.